Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be making veggie slash vegan pot pie. So here are pretty much all of the main ingredients. I'm going to go over everything with you guys, starting with potatoes. The red potatoes, and as you can see, I already have them diced, and they're clean and they've just been sitting in a little water. Next, you can see I have cut green beans. Again, these guys are fresh, cut, clean, and sitting in some water. Behind that, have some mushrooms, corn from the other night's dinner that we had cut in half, and so I'm just going to be using that other half of the corn. Have a carrot there. Over here in the back we have sweet peas canned, a sweet onion, a red onion, and garlic. And back there we also have arrowroot powder, just going to be used as a thickening agent, but you can also use flour or whatever you guys would like to use. This right here is a veggie bouillon cube. You can use veggie bouillon cube, or if you just have some chicken bouillon cubes laying around, some people may want to use that instead. If you already got it, go ahead and use it. And almond milk. Alright, so those are all the ingredients I'm gonna be using today for the veggie pot pie. I'm going to finish processing everything, so I'm gonna chop up those mushrooms, slice the carrot, and cut the corn off of the cob, and cut up some red and sweet onion, as well as the garlic, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we have everything chopped up. Got my pan is warming up as we speak. I'm gonna be cooking this all in one big skillet, like all of the vegetables. So if you do it that way, what you want to do is you want to start cooking what's going to take the longest, and then add things in on top of that. So the first thing I'm going to start with are the potatoes. Let those cook for a little bit. Add the carrots. Let it cook for a little bit. I'll probably add the red sweet onion and garlic. After those are taken care of, mushrooms will be going in, and then after that, the rest of the vegetables, the corn, the green beans, and the sweet peas, they'll all be kind of thrown in all together. So that at that point, it won't take very long to cook before you want to add your either almond milk or whatever you're using. After you add that, you'll let it cook to bubble a little bit. Then you'll be adding your arrowroot powder to thicken it up. After your red potatoes are halfway cooked, as I said, Alright, so you got those cooking in about halfway. Then you throw the red onion, sweet onion, and garlic in. Then after that, and next we add our green beans. With green beans. We're gonna add arrow root. Alright, so put it in your pan and you're gonna add your biscuits right on top. These are pre-made biscuits. You have your own biscuit recipe, do that. This is just a way to make it quicker of a meal to make than making biscuits. So after you get those on, I'm gonna take this and pop it in the oven.